Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Let's go for it. Go for pandas where we were writing. Okay, we know how to input a CSV file into pandas. What type is it? What is it? Okay, let's print type and file. DataFrame. DataFrame is one of the most important thing in pandas. Let's search it and read about it in the reference site. We just search pandas DataFrame. As you can see, it gave us a lots of data and comment for. There are many command we can use. All of them for example, we can constructing and do a lots of things. These are not the things I want to teach you. If you want, you can read, but if you use all of your life, you can't know and expert all the functions that pandas, numpy, this gets. The thing is important that you can achieve the option and the command you want from these libraries. Okay, today for example, another example, we want to add another column to this data frame. We go to Google, search how to add column to data frame Python pandas. How to add when you add column by directly assigning value or using data frame like insert or assign. Okay, let's go to site and read about this. For example, this is a data frame head. It is doing some sort of math, but it's not important for us. We need something, another thing. Okay, adding a new thing. How? Creating a data frame, creating new column. Def supreme is equal to. Okay, let's create it. We have 2 and we save file. For example, sum is equal to, for example, file 1 plus file 2. Oh, 2 we don't have, we have 11. Okay, now we print our data frame, print file. As you can see, it creates the sum column, that's sum of the two another column. There is one other comment we can use, that file dot head. It gives us the 5 first row of our data frame, and it's good use. You can also get median or another things. They are mathematical and don't important now, but I want you for your next lesson, do something, try and delete one of these columns. You can create an Excel like this and delete one of these columns. That's pretty easy, and don't get any time, just go and search how to delete column in the pandas, how to delete, and then write the answers. In the next lesson, at first we search and see how to solve this problem.